Radio XMAS. All hip hop, all holiday, all the time. Welcome back to Radio XMAS. All hip hop, all holiday, all the time. And as I do every holiday season, I got a special treat for you guys. This is going to be a world premiere. I'm not going to tell you how I got this, who my sources were. I'm not going to reveal any information like that, but I did hear that the big guy riding high in the sky listens to this mixtape while he's cruising around giving out presents to all you good boys and girls. So enough chit chat, we're going to get right into it. This is a world premiere. Hey yo, Rudolph.